In this video, you'll learn how you can use the color sampler in Elementor. Instead of just using the color picker and choosing from the specific color palette, you can use the color sampler. As you can see this beautiful page here. I'm here in the page editor. But if you want to learn how to edit the pages in WordPress with Elementor, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. As you can see this beautiful page here, I want to change the color of this heading here. And now I want to take the color from this image. To do so, simply move to the heading settings, and to do so, move to the Style tab, and now configure the text color settings from here. You can see the color picker here, but it only allows to select the color from the given color palette. Here is this hidden feature named Color Sampler. Simply click on it, and now simply move your cursor and click on this image here. You can see the color picker creates a color palette that contains all the colors used in this image. You can simply select the color you want, and you can see the changes taking place as well. Similarly, you can click anywhere on your website, create the color palette, and choose from those specific colors. You can see the changes here. So, this is how you can use the color sampler in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.